Parents, are you stealing your child's confidence backstage? From the judge's table, we can see when a child is mentally overloaded. Hi, it's AI Cindy. Welcome to the stage. Here's a quick tip. If you're repeating instructions 10 times backstage to your child, not only will they forget all 10, but you're dimming your child's confidence. We call this overcoaching backstage. It's okay. You probably didn't realize this. As a former competitor and pageant judge, I can tell you, your child looks tense, not joyful. They look terrified because they don't want to upset mom or dad. Judges notice confidence. Judges notice comfort. And judges notice authenticity. Instead, say the instruction once, then smile, then trust your preparation. Repeating instructions while practicing at home is fine, but don't repeat them over and over backstage. Stay calm and help your child to stay focused. I hope this tip helps. Subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for more calm, confident pageant parent tips every week. I love you.
I'll see you on the stage.